Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Broken by Jonah Kagen. There are only 4 chords. Let me show you how to play. I'm broken, tell you I'm fine, but you won't believe me if you knew the thing that knows my mind. I'm hurting, I show no sign, 'cause I'm afraid to give in, break down and waste your time. 2, 3. Now I'm begging you to come and pull me out the fire. Come and save me like you did when we were young. Oh, please come bring me up from my lowest, take me higher. Can you see me through the ashes and the smoke? So there are 4 chords: A minor, F, C and G. The strumming pattern would be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Let me repeat once again: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Thank you guys. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel.